Hello, second grade. We're going to get started with our blending drill. Make sure you say the sounds with me. I, t, might. E, t, meat. Ult, melt. Sh, ult, shelt. Qua, ult, quelt. Qua, st, quest. V, est, vest. Asked, masked. Arked, marked. Arsh, marsh. Full, arsh, flourish. Full, flow. Hey, that's it for that. Thank you.